Yo, Haytham is here today, and for my first video in the channel, I'm showing you a website that I used to gain followers on my TikTok accounts. The website is called BookFollowers.xyz. Of course, you can find all the links in the description box. Here is how the websites look like. It is well designed and coherent. So you scroll down till you find the generator. On the left side here, we can see the amount of users that just had benefits from the website along with the number of followers and likes. Now, I will show you the TikTok account I'm using on the video in order to test this website. Here, as you can see, I got only 17 followers and 2 likes. The account was just created recently. Back to the website, you enter your username here. The one that comes after the @sign. Select the amount of likes and followers you want to get and click on generate. The process has started now and it will take a few seconds. Once you get to the step, you click on verify now in order to prevent bots from abusing the steps. It will take you to a new page. Here, you should complete at least 2 offers in order to go to the next page. Like this box here, it contains an offer that you should complete and it won't take more than 2 minutes. As an example, let me take this offer. It is simply a survey that I can complete by answering some simple questions as shown on the video. So I will speed up the video in order to not make it any longer. Once finished, choose another offer and complete it. After completing 2 offers, it will take you to this Google form page. Here, where you should enter all your informations like email, full name, country, and TikTok username. Once sent, it will take from 24 to 48 hours to receive your followers. Now, back to my phone, on my TikTok account, after refreshing it, you can see that I gained around 10,000 followers and around 500 likes. This proves the website is legit, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. All the links again used in this video will be in the description box too.